Hello people, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can remove an emoji from the picture only with your iPhone library. So you just need to open your photo library on your iPhone, and then you just need to pick the picture that contains an emoji on it. And now you just need to take a look on the top side. There will be two options there. There will be an edit and three small dots. Just go type into the edit part. Now take a look on this top side again. There will be like three options there, but then use the middle one. Go click it, and now you just need to go click this plus button here and go click add shape and pick the shape that you want to use. I will use this rectangle because it will be covering more, because I have this three emoji on it. Now tap into this side to pick the color, and we need to use this color picker to pick the color. Now we need to place this color picker into the nearest area with the emoji so that they will like have the similar color with the background around the emoji. Click X and drag the rectangle here to be on the top side of the emoji. You can also adjust the size too. Right after you're done, go click done, and those emoji already hidden, and you're done. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's begin into other tutorial.